Welcome back to the backyard of the Dirty Gardener. Just acquired a strawberry plant. This is an Ozark, and it's called an everbearing plant. So it's supposed to provide fruit throughout the growing season, I'm hoping. I think I've had one of these a couple years ago. I don't remember how well it did, but it's kind of an experiment, and I'm just going to repot it up to something a little bit bigger, so I'll be right back. Go this terracotta container. Just going to carefully remove my strawberry. It sat in the rain yesterday, so it's pretty soaked. But there you go. Looks pretty healthy. Some nice roots. Just gonna make a little room in here and sink it on down in there. Alright, that's dropped in there, and I'm just gonna add some soil here to the soil line of the strawberry plant. It's looking pretty good. Okay, that's looking pretty good, and the last thing you want to do when you're all finished, I like to put my little tag in there. And I also added some pine bark on the top, just as an extra little barrier. And also it's good for the strawberries when they're resting on that, as opposed to soil. It can kind of jack them up. And last week I transplanted that rosemary. Now it's got its official sign in there, and it's received a lot of rain, I don't know, over the past week, but it looks like it's doing okay. I've got this lawn back here. I think it's Kikuyu, I don't know how you pronounce it, grass. It's kind of neglected. It needs some fertilizer, so I've been thinking about possibly renovating this with some organic fertilizer. I might want to try buying a bag of Milorganite. It's a pretty popular fertilizer on the YouTube. So look to that possibly soon. Maybe more in the spring. This weather still it's pretty bad. The rains every week. Really bad weeds in here. I don't even know what these are. I need to do some research, but maybe another bag of like some weed and feed. Almost looks like clover, but looks slightly different, but I think it's something I can address, and it might be a fun project to work on. This grass is really yellow, lacks nitrogen and whatever else, other nutrients. So look forward to that. That's gonna just about wrap it up out here in the garden for this week. I'll be back next week, I guess, with another project, so hope to see you soon.